a rainy day that you cannot go outside because there's flood. That flood is so high. You cannot go outside because there's a flood. It's a rainy day that's a very cold flood. That is very dangerous because the water is so high and the rain is very strong. Flood is very strong. It causes high water. The water flood is caused by people perfect. You need to build a boat. That's why you get a flood. You need to build a boat. You need to build a boat. Because it's rainy day on September. It's a rainy day on September. But I can't play outside because it's rainy day because it's boring. How we can play outside when it's rainy day because we cannot play outside when it's rainy day. But you can be a rapper. But you cannot be a rapper just like me. Sometimes they are rapping. Someone is playing outside and showering on the rain. The rain is not good. It's not natural rain. It's bad rain. It's not healthy for you. It causes sick. You will get a 38 Fahrenheit when you sick because you cannot you cannot shower on a rainy day. You can shower when it's not dry rain because that is not good for showering because flood is not good for you because flood makes sick. Don't shower in the flood because it's not easy. Last time you're sick on the rain because you shower on the rain because it's flood. It is not a disaster, that is cloud. It's a rainy day on September. That's why they call it a rainy day because sometimes there's a bad weather. Sometimes there's a good weather. How about some good weather? Because I don't go outside when it's very rain. But it's very not for good. Not for good. That is not good for you. That is not good for you. That is not good for you because it causes you sick. 38 Fahrenheit makes you sick because you have to drink medicine. You have to drink some medicine. After drink some medicine, do not play when it's a cloudy day. It's a rainy day.